We start with one hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this correction, we mentioned how we can look for trade because I mentioned I'm looking for buy and we have been looking for 31.2 following by 32.6 as the targets. As you can see, after the price reached that zone, we get this down move. Now, want to see what's the next. We don't, because after that, we didn't have any update. We remove all these lines and we move to daily chart. All right. Now, we want to see how we can look at the chart. And first things, at the first stage, we will consider this one as a expanding, and we have been looking for this. And right now, since we get this down move, we are looking for this one as a flat, and this one we can consider as a first wave. This is how we can, because this part is quite complex. Even we can consider this one as a flat, but we cannot put this one in relative to this. That's why we prefer to look at this part, and this is as a first wave. All right. That means the only thing is we're looking at this one as a correction. How deep this one can go with the breakout of 26.1, we can expect the price drop to 23.1. And if there is a breakout of 23.1, even we can expect the price drop to 19.8. I'm not really interested. I'm looking for, for the price to drop to 19.8. Mostly if there is a breakout of 26.1, we can expect the price drop to 23.1 before we get the reversal. All right. And the best thing is if we're looking at this one as a flat, we consider this one to be a running flat. That's why we don't need to see the breakout of the previous low. That's why mostly we can, if the price give us one more drop, we can expect the price drop to this one. All right. Now we want to see what's the next, because we want to see whether we can get any trade setup for buy or not. Anyway, if we move to forward chart, this is what we're looking for. And if the prices start to drop, we just let it go. We are not really interested to sell, look for sell if the prices start to drop from here. All right. The only times we can look for sell if you get one move up, then maybe sell from there, because at that times you can consider this one in relative to this. Right. Now, if we get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And even if this one drop, maybe the price retest 28, but any reversal as a sharp move flag, we will take the trade. How deep this one can go, if we want to put in relative to this as a correction, we don't want to see the breakout of 28. All right. Then if we get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it, and the targets will be 35.7 following by 38.6. All right. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break 38.6 or not. If there is a breakout, it's good. If not, maybe we can expect to get one more drop. That means we can expect this one turn to more complex correction. Just to make it very simple, for me, if the prices start to drop from here, I just let it go. Then we will, at that time, we want to see whether the price can break 26.1 or 23.1 or not. Then that's mean any reversal. If the price couldn't break this support, any reversal I will take. If there is a breakout, I will look for the next one. All right. But if the price give me opportunity to look for buy from here, also we'll take it. But this one is as a short term. All right. But if the price broke or dropped to 26.1, any trade I will consider with the breakout, at least the price break the previous stop, which is 38.6. Anyway, right now we don't see any trade setup. Having entry above the stop can be an option. And what we want the price sharply break and continue. But if anyone wants to look, put the entry above this, what they want the price sharply break and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we take out the trade. And as long as the price tag 33.6, we start to manage it, because there is a possibility we get one move up and this one turn to a flat in relative to this for one more drop before we get the reversal. That's why if you want to look for buy from here, we need to be quite careful. But if the price drop to 28, then having entry above this is not really good. I mean, it's not valid. Then from there, we look for the reversal as a sharp move flag. Anyway, we just follow the chart. We can expect this one turn to a more complex correction. That means the price can consolidate here for a longer time before we get the next move. And that's why any trade is a short term. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.